Oppo A72 na the new phone when the company launched for February of this year 2022. It comes in only two colors, glowing black, which is this one when we want review now, and glowing blue. The best word when I go take describe this phone na silently fascinating. Welcome to Megalight Unboxing channel, and if now your first time to watch my YouTube video be this, you are highly welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel and remember to tell me what you think about my video for the comment section for bottom. Plus, feel free to jump to any part of this video when you want to watch using the timestamp for bottom of this video. Without wasting your precious time, I will just go straight to the unboxing of this phone. The price of this phone is 130,000 naira and it is equivalent to 23,650 India rupee, and it still available for Flipkart. Inside the box of the phone, you will see the fine SIM remover. Next, now the transparent flexible plastic bumper case. Then the phone itself with a neat design and good finishing all round. You will still see this white 33-watt fast charger, USB-C cable, and finally, wait, earpiece no come inside this box. Ouch, earpiece no follow this phone come. Imagine somebody when they say he won't buy this phone. He can't throw away all the earpiece when he get for house, thinking say when he buy this phone, better strong earpiece go follow and come. Then when he carry the phone reach us and open the box, oh boy, earpiece not there inside. How frustrating. The look of the phone no bad. All the edges they fine. When it come to the display, this one a phone when you fit spend your money on. Except it is expensive for phone when they say they use 13 megapixel as back camera. The right side of the phone carry the power button. This power button now still be the fingerprint unlock. Most Android phones get their volume button for this same side, but this phone no get am here. Top of the phone carry one microphone. The left side of the phone carry SIM house plus volume buttons. For the bottom, na speaker, charging port, another microphone and audio jack dey here. The back only carry two cameras and flashlight. The phone dey very easy to carry, e not too heavy and it is very compatible for hand. For my reading, the weight na 190 gram, even though Oppo official website keep the weight for 189 gram. I don't really know whether make I take the weight value when Oppo announce or whether make I take the value when my scale give me. But it not really make any difference though, because the phone dey light. And when I say the phone dey light, I really mean it is very light. The display na IPS LCD with 6.5 inch. The screen to body ratio na about 90%. I still dey hope for the day when budget phones like this go get 100% screen to body ratio. It dey support 60Hz and 90Hz refresh rate and a maximum of 180Hz touch sampling rate. With these display specs, the screen go run smooth, respond fast, and display clear graphics. So you go expect good experience with this display if you want use it to watch YouTube videos or play games. One very exciting feature about this phone na the RAM storage expansion. By default, the RAM storage na 6GB RAM and the ROM storage na 128GB ROM. But you fit extend this 6GB RAM with additional 2, 3 or 5GB from free ROM space. And the exciting thing about this one be say you don't need any updating of your phone before you go fit access this feature. So this one go fit allow your phone to run smooth even if you dey play high-end games. I use the phone for some time and it no overheat. Really, I don't know how Oppo do am, but then try for here. Usually when you don't use phone to play high-end games and applications for a very long time, it go make the phone hot and cause them to reduce the performance and even consume the battery faster than normal. To get phone like this when feel endure under intense circumstance and still remain cool, I think it is cool. Oppo built the phone on Android 11 and a Qualcomm Snapdragon 680 the power RAM. I be fan of MediaTek processor, but again, it not really make any difference here. I feel the choice of the processor when they use for this phone balance. So with a look phone, when it be say it get good design, it get good display, and the performance they awesome. When it comes to the battery, 5000 mAh they big. Oppo tell us say 30 minutes of charge go give the battery 55%. So I plug the phone, waiting follow come charger and cable, set the timer for 30 minutes and see wetin we go get. Before I charge the phone, the battery percentage dey 47%, and after 30 minutes of charge, I get 94%, which is 47% in 30 minutes of charge instead of the 55% when Oppo announced. Well, now normal charging, nothing dey so special about the charging of this phone. Even though say na 33-watt fast charger, na follow and come. If you think say as the performance of the phone makes sense, na so na the camera go be too, then you go dey very much disappointed. I think Oppo know wetin dem dey do. Na make dem no advertise the camera quality of the phone for anywhere close to the body of the phone, the body of the carton, or even inside the phone for setting. Dem no mention anything about the camera. 13 megapixel as main camera for back of phone like this no work. With this camera, you fit only take fine close-up shots and videos, but you no go fit zoom far. Even the small zoom in when this phone go allow you do go still end up with videos and pictures wey no clear. Cameras dey get many camera functions like focus, so that you fit use and take out blurry background, and then we get night mode, so you fit use and get more details for night pictures and so on. But the basic function of every single camera na to make sure say the pictures or images when they take dey clear. So when camera no fit handle simple shots well, then it dey lose in value. And I think na here Oppo for really pay more attention to this back camera, because now this back camera be the main camera to take picture with this phone. It makes sense for selfie and video shots. One interesting thing about am be say the portrait mode of the front camera dey support focus and autofocus. Some phones of this range no get this feature for their front camera. Night mode of this phone no get much effect. See side-by-side comparison of the night and normal mode of the back camera. For some pictures here, na only small difference you go fit notice, while for the other pictures, you no go fit even notice the difference at all. Close-up shots dey fine with this phone, and the Pro mode still makes more sense since e get more focal strength past the portrait mode. But you go buy this phone for 130,000 naira, or you think say it too cost? Tell me wetin you think for the comment section for bottom of this video. This video go take you to Tecno Camon 18i unboxing and review, while this one go take you to Infinix Hot 11i unboxing and review. No forget to subscribe to this channel. See you for my next video.